A 2014 Chrysler 300, which is similar to the other years. Here we are going to show you how to remove the monitor, touch screen, and the navigation and radio CD player unit. The tools that you need is just this dashboard removal tool, the blue tool, plus just a Phillips screwdriver. The first step, you pop out the AC control panel. But everything is loose, by the way. This is just for the demo. Once you pull it out, you can just unplug the AC control unit and put it on the side. And there are 4 screws for the mounting of the radio, CD player, navigation unit. Once you get those Phillips out, and then you can pull the CD player, radio, navigation out. And here you go. And these are all the connectors for the back of the unit. To unplug them, you just have to press in the clips and you can just unplug them. And you can put that one on the side. And now you can remove the monitor. You just pop the bezel for the AC vent. And these are the connectors for the side. So when you apply the pressure to pull the unit out forward, you know where the clips are, so you know exactly where to apply the pressure. And then on the back of the unit, you can see these are all it has 3 connectors. Then you can just unplug them, and that's it. And if you need any repair for the monitor, touch screen, or navigation, or the radio or CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.